welcome back again. I'm going to be doing beautiful makeup. I don't want to waste your time. Thank you for coming. I appreciate every one of you. Stay your baby girl, Bianca Beleza Girl Stevie. Thank you for coming, my queen. I love you. So you guys know, like, my normal routine is just for me to apply my concealer, because concealer is what I do use. I have a base. I don't even use it, but I think I need to even give that base out because I don't use it. So what I'm going to do now, after using the concealer, I will use this one to mattify it a little bit. I've already primed my eyes. I primed the whole face. Okay, so, and the next thing is to go for the colors. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Hit the red button and on the notification bell, so whenever I have video, you will be the first to be notified. At the same time, add me on my page by Mondo di Bellezza, meaning the word of beauty. Okay, and Instagram Bianca/makeover more. Okay, thank you for coming. It's your baby girl from all the way from Leco. Mwah. Yes, as I said before, I'm going for this yellow. I will first of all use this yellow, then go for this amber. Okay, these two can just be mixed together, called amber. First of all, we'll go for this, then this, and after I cut crease, we are going for this hot one here. What do you guys think? Let's go. Take my mirror, excuse me, and I will try as much as possible because the place I am, I don't have anywhere to place it. But all for my queens, all for my queens, all for my queens. So I'm using this one as my base, okay, as my transitional color, I mean to say. Okay guys, I'm using this yellow. If you are good and blend it, you can blend it very well. Okay, okay, to the other side. Keep washing. The second color now, as I said before, is this amber color here. Okay guys, let's see with this one. This one is to darken the shadow a little bit. When I say a little bit, I will go more than a little bit. So guys, whenever I'm playing with my color, I don't love to touch even this side. Okay, so you can do it, you cannot do it, you can just go on top of your upper crease, then you leave it there. But I prefer to blend it this way. Okay, you can see how it is now, like real hot. I love it. I love it. I love it. When I blend it, it makes my eyes puffy and make it too big. Like some people do think I have big eyes. No, I don't. The way I blend my makeup, I blend it excess. Okay, I hope you are learning from this trick. Yeah, blend your makeup excess. If you have small eyes, that will make it puffy and big and poppy. Keep washing. Okay, cut crazy. I'm in love with these 2-in-1 brushes. I ordered it is from AliExpress. You can take it to this place, but you guys know I love something that is poppy. If I want to do makeup, let me do it. If I don't want to do makeup, I will know that I'm not doing it. Okay, just keep washing. This, I'm holding palette at the same time and mirror, and the palette is heavy. That is why my hands is shaking. Leave it there. Can leave it there, then I do my thing. Okay, can you see that? The cut crazy is not like my normal cut crazy. But don't worry, keep watching as we go for the other side. Okay, love you. Yeah, I decided to go with a little bit of this color here. Yeah, it's supposed to be wine or maroon. I don't know, queens. I don't know. Maroon. As this maroon. Don't worry, you can just leave it this way. I need it to be on top of you. Okay, let me drop my palette so I can blend it. Can you see that? let's go for the poppy color. Okay, wait, queens, hold on. I'm going to be tapping it this way so that I can be able to apply it very well. Okay, keep watching as I do that for you. In case you don't have this palette, just type on AliExpress. You will see this palette. Type for many color, but just type on 20 color above palette. They will pop out. Just go. Spend your time inside. This palette is amazing. It's amazing. When you have this palette, you don't need other palette. Why? Except you are doing makeup collection like me. I love to buy makeup. I know some people is like, why are you talking? Yeah, I love to talk. I love to talk. Talking is my hobby. Can you see that? To the highlights, to the eyeliner, okay? Eyeliner now. It came said sometimes it's scary. At the beginning it's scary, but at the end is amazing. If makeup not scary at the beginning, came. I work to see the Eddie came. It was scary, eh? It was scary. Even we that are doing it, we are always afraid of our makeup. When we are doing it, we are like, oh Jesus, should I give up? Sometimes you feel like giving up. Did you know that you just feel frustrated? Mostly when you are creating this kind of look that you need to guard it. You need to guard. This is a vavavu makeup. I love it. I live a colorful life. That is why my makeup is always colorful. Hey guys, look at that. So the lashes, then I will do the rest off camera. Keep watching, okay? Before we apply the lipstick, let me take care of this hair. I don't want to use glue because after that the hair will just look so messy. I don't like it. So let me see what I can do without anything else. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, then take it a little bit back here, and the closer is just going back because this hair is tight. This closure, this is how it's already made wig. Okay, it's not full like the way I needed it to be. Okay guys, yeah, I tried to coil it a little bit, but I think I still need another one. Before I will apply lipstick, let me just coil this one again. Even this one is Baby Serena, just deal with one of it. Okay, the rest is downstairs. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one, let me see if I can run down. I want to coil it. I need the coils. Yeah. Okay, my queens, let's go. We are going to pick somewhere the next few minutes. Okay. Don't worry about the little pink I have. I try to clean it, but because it's matte, okay. Okay. Oh, this Maggi stick is a bottle. No. I'm in a hurry, guys. Wish me well. It's just perfect. Okay, that was not a monkey business. Who will pay for that? If you know you pay for that spray, let me know you pay for it. So guys, the next thing to do now is to remove this one. I have hair straightener here. This very one probably got it for me. The video will be coming up. Hair straightener, able to coil everything that I need to beautify myself. All the videos are coming. Obby just surprised me by buying me a lot of things. Okay, guys. Oh my god, I love the coiling. This is supposed to be straight hair, but I want to coil it. Okay. I didn't use gel again. As I said before, I don't want to use any gel. I don't like to use anything that will make the hair, because this hair right now, this is one of the best hair. And this earring also is on my channel. The video will be coming up how to order it and where to get it. Okay, don't worry, the thing is not going to fall. I can jump. The hair is very tight. Sometimes I don't even feel headache. Okay, yeah, this is what I used to spray it. I sprayed it before. So I don't want it more longer, but don't worry, guys. I believe you enjoyed the video. Hope the video is not too long. Okay, it's supposed to bring out baby hair and then do it this way. That would be nice. We don't have time. We'll do baby hair next time. I'm using this comb to spoil the coils. Terrible me. Anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that you like it? Okay, guys, I'm going out right now. I'm going out live to pick baby Samuel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Whatever that they had to it, you can add to your makeup. So I just did it because I'm going out and I don't need it more than this. I believe it's okay. That's very nice and it's poppy for you. Thank you for watching this video. It's still your Gele TV. Peace out. Bye bye.